Alarm going off, gotta pay the bills. We all hate to go to work, it's how we made to feel. Everybody has a chance trying to make a meal. If you gonna take a shot, you better aim to kill. There's more to living if you were risen on hitting snooze. We flowing down the road that I was able to pick and choose. Go and get it, it's settled to be that bitter dude. That's why Drizzy sitting way up in the six with different views. Different paths, we all doing what we gotta do.
Hi guys, I'm here with LXM2 Lifestyle Magazine and we're shooting the brand new 2019 BMW Z4. This one here is the S-Drive 30i, so it's got a little bit more power than the standard one, and also it's finished with the M Sport pack. It looks really, really special. And thankfully, of course, the weather is broken today. Pure sunshine and blue skies. It's getting a little dark now, but you guys will see a lot of footage coming up very soon.
You're just building someone else's dream.
Wake up, hit snooze, man, my eyes are tired. I think I'll be in traffic till I'm retired. Gotta clock in, hope I don't get fired. This shit ain't even close to what I desire. I don't think I'm gonna last another day. I'm in the trap, damn, there's gotta be another way. I'ma do my own thing, cause I'm not in first. Fuck it, I don't want a job, I just wanna work.
So this Z4 is the S-Drive 30i model, a 2-litre engine with about 262 horsepower. So it's the mid-level model. It's got the M Sport pack, so you've got this really aggressive fascia here at the front. Makes it look like a proper sports car. On top of that, this one's also got the black pack. So we have darkened kidney grills, darkened mirrors, darkened wheels, and also gloss black exhaust tips just to finish it off properly stealthy. My favorite thing about the Z4 has to be the interior though. Let's have a look inside. So of course black on the outside with a nice contrasting white on the inside, and it is a special place to be. So this is called Ivory White, and I think it suits the car really, really well, and it goes very well also with the interior lighting package that we have here, all in blue. A nice cocooning interior makes it feel like a proper sports car, and of course all the technology you need inside too. The roof, of course, very, very crucial point of this car, takes just 12 seconds to go up and down at speeds of up to 30 miles an hour. So whenever you feel like having the top down, just push the button and there it goes. And the best thing is about that roof is it doesn't take up any cargo space at all. So we have all of our camera gear packed into the boot of this car. My arm goes right the way through to the end, and we still have some more room to spare. So practical and sporty. It's a win-win, really. So keep your eyes peeled on the LXM2 Lifestyle Magazine pages, where you'll see our full video coming up very, very soon.
Wake up, hit snooze, man, my eyes are tired. I think I'll be in traffic till I'm retired. Gotta